answer to the previous puzzle, you're going to move only 2 lines to make 3 squares. So you have to move these 2 lines and place them between these 2 squares, like here and here, like how I showed here. Now you can see 3 squares, that this is 1, this is 2, and between with these it's 3. And the next puzzle is this. So I have given some letters over here, and this is the grid. Now you're supposed to put these letters into this grid to form 2 words, one this way and one that way. So let's see who can get the answers, and comment them down in the comment section down below.